Welcome to Hope Infotech's video on PEGA. Upgrade your career with our PEGA online course, offering practical learning and placement opportunities. Our PEGA online training is designed for beginners and professionals to build strong skills in BPM and CRM solutions. Key highlights include industry-focused training, covering concepts from basics to advanced, hands-on learning with real-time projects, and certification guidance. Why choose PEGA? It's a powerful platform for business process management and customer engagement. Our career-focused training provides hands-on practice, real-time project experience, and expert guidance to enhance your career growth. PEGA Online Training offers a comprehensive learning experience focused on application development and business process automation. Key features include low-code development, case management, AI decisioning, and process automation. PEGA training provides significant benefits, such as career growth and enhanced job opportunities due to high industry demand. It offers real experience, skill enhancement, and a knowledge boost through expert guidance and practical application development. PEGA offers various promising job roles. A PEGA developer designs and builds applications. A system architect designs scalable solutions and ensures performance. A PEGA tester ensures application quality through functional and automation testing. While PEGA development can be complex for beginners due to its unique architecture, our proper guidance helps you master core concepts. The key challenge is staying updated, but practical knowledge and certifications will help you succeed. The future of PEGA is promising, driven by the growing demand for low-code platforms and business automation. Mastering the basics, case management, AI decisioning, and real-time project experience will ensure a successful career in this evolving IT industry. In conclusion, PEGA training is a valuable step for building a career in business process management and low-code development. It's a smart choice for long-term success, offering excellent growth opportunities and better job prospects. Thank you for your time and attention. We hope this video added value to your learning journey. Wishing you success in your PEGA career ahead.